Most traders lose money in the New York traps. How my strategy will give you the best opportunity, I will show you today. See, there is a liquidity. Asian session has been created. The Sydney and the Tokyo has been created at this level. This is the Asian high, and the pre-New York started at this time, and this is the when the pre-market, you know, pre-New York starts at this price, and here is the liquidity has been already taken. How we can use this to our advantage? If you look at the charts, the volume and the volume profile, I'll show you how the volume profile also look like. This is in the 5 minutes time frame. Here is the liquidity of the Asian session. Asian session. Here is the liquidity at 4735 is the liquidity. If you see all the way during the London, it has come down all the way and it has taken all this liquidity, all the liquidity which is created in this. You see here, see all the way it has taken all the liquidity and it is pushed back to this area. I can say that this is the key area, point of control. And if you just see where we can take the entry higher, and the market is in the bullish today. If you look at this in the 60 minutes time frame, the is bullish. Market is bullish. So I want to take only the 5 minutes time frame, and then I will show you how it can be taken, the entry, how this will give you the best opportunity to take the entry. Let me show you. I want to take from here, but before that I want to explain how I can take this entry. See, in 5 minutes time frame, if I see this, here already taken the liquidity created previous. London has taken the liquidity which is created by the London itself. So, and to push the market up, there are no orders, and then it should have taken come down whatever there is a sell side liquidity, and then market push back. I want to show this in the 1 minute time frame how this look like and where we can take the entry. I want to show here. See, this is the liquidity point where, and we need some confirmations also. And 1 minute time frame candle which is closed above this and this, it is closed above this and this. So this is the buyers are again taking the control of the market here. And once it is moved above this, which means it is taking the control of the market and it is already taken the liquidity and it's a great opportunity. And this is the New York session. From here, how we can take, I will show you. From here, we can take long when we have the confirmation. From here, taking all the way up to here is the low, and all the way till Asian liquidity, till the Asian liquidity, Asian high, which is giving 1:3 ratio, 1:3 ratio, which is having around 13, 1,300 pips, 1,300, 1,374 pips move, and which is a big move, I can say. But how the market will move during this, I will even that also I will explain you using the concept volume profile. If you see here, the buy orders, if you see here only this area, I want to just to show you only this till this area, the market will be slowly moves till this area. Meaning, I will show you from here till here, market goes slowly because this is the point of control where this high volume node, this is the high volume node. Looking at this, I can tell this. Looking at this, I can say this is the point of controls. The market will move slowly, and traders will be trapped in this. Traders will be trapped in this. So, how we can take this also? I'll tell you. So, once it is moved from here, once it is moved from here, from this, and it is going very fast, and it is going very fast. So I can say This is the point of control, and here is the liquidity. Liquidity has been taken. I mean, another entry I can show you. This is the Asian session. Once Asian session liquidity has been taken, and the price is started reversing, and how that also we can see. And this is the resistance area. I can say once the liquidity is grabbed, this is the resistance area, and it is moving up, but all the way, but again unable to sustain the buying pressure. So it is moved all the way down, and it is acting as a support area in this 4734, and all the way it is pushing up, and there is another level here. There is another level here. This is the one, and here was the previous day entry I have taken. It went all the way up here, and then it is taken all the liquidity, and its price started reversing. But how we can take this as an opportunity, we will see. We will see. I want to show this in the 1 minute time frame. I can say once it is moved up and it is come down and it is started taking this, and in this the I can say this is changing the character. I can say once the market, I can even say this way. So, and we should wait for the perfect opportunity. We can have one more entry of the short after reversal of the sweep, after reversal of the sweep of the Asian session. This is the fully accumulated over the period after taking the Asian session high, and it will now distribute. Now it will distribute, and to what we will see. Just wait till till it breaks the area of this Asian high, and it is broken down. It acted as a support, and let the market again act this as a resistance for the sellers to go, sellers to take the control of the market. This I can say from here we can take again entry, but we need to wait for the perfect candle. Now we saw that this is the area, this is the area, and it is broken down, and it is taken all the way up to here. It is come, and it is going back, and it is going down. But where we could have taken the entry? If you ask me, if you ask me, when it is showing this big reversal candle and it is closed below this, and slowly it is coming, and here so many big wicks, which means there is a selling pressure, and it is not going to moving up the market. It's not going to moving up the market. So but we still need some more level to be confirmed. And if you see this candle, and it is taken this change of character, this low has been taken, and this candle also closed in the 1 minute time frame. So we can have a entry here. We can have a short entry here. I can say when it is taken this and it is closed with a perfection, I can say this is the entry all the way up to here. This stop loss until what we can take entry, can say up to here. This is the entry which is with the 1 is to 3.7 risk reward ratio. Why I am taking up to here means this is the key area. This is the key area. Even if you just take this, take up to here, this is the key area. This is the key area. If you see, this is the key area. So price definitely will move to this point of control. So this is one more entry we can say from here. One more entry we can take, but still one more entry we can take here using the 5 minutes time frame. Using the 5 minutes time frame all the way, because it has all everything is accumulated over this time frame. Everything is accumulated. It will definitely distribute until what we can say, and sellers have taken the control, and this is acting as a resistance. This is acting as a resistance. So we can have definitely one more entry from here in the 1 minute time frame. We just use it once it is started taking the low, and it is closed this with this high perfect candle with the full volume of this thing. I can say from here we can take having this next high, as the next area is the stop loss point all the way, all the way of this liquidity point. Or if you want to be more conservative, you can have up to here only. So up to here, this is the area. So up to here, 1 is to 3. Again, even if you really wanted to take, you can take up to here. Take up to here. One price will take this low, and then again it will reverse because it is the Friday and it is a weekend closing, and it will go all the way. I can till what it will go, I will show you using this volume profile till what it can go. I just wanted to recap this. This is the Sydney and the Tokyo, which is an Asian session high, and the most of the orders which are placed on this high is the liquidity for the New York to trade. So how we can take this? The market London is manipulated, but it is not. If you see market London has manipulated the market that it is taking reversal of this, but it is unable to push up because of no orders, because of low volume, and it is all the way pushed down. It has taken all the way this liquidity, and it is acted as support, and then it is started reversing the price from here. It is acting. It is started reversing. The orders are increasing. The increasing in volume, and it is already taken this. It is already taken this liquidity which is created in this session itself, and there are so many orders compared to there's so much volume compared to earlier volume candles, and the pre-New York it is starting, but it is since it is not able to push the market up, and all the orders which are filled during the 15 minutes time, during the 15 minutes time of this pre-York, pre-New York, and then it is come down all the way. This taken the liquidity, and it will definitely take the Asian session high. So I have taken the entry when it is given this, when you have given this hammer, when it is given this hammer, it is a big sign that market is reversing after taking the one confirmation I can say here. One, it is taken the liquidity of this, and then there is a hammer which is created, and the volume also comparatively good volume it is there. It is given this confirmation, and the buyers are taking the control. So all the way up to here it is taken, which is having a 1 is to 3 ratio, and it is grabbed all the liquidity which is created, and the market moved up. This market moved up and accumulated so much volume to distribute further, but it is acting here as a support. Once its liquidity has been taken of the Asian session, went to some key area of the previous day, and then it started distributing. But where we can take the entry, that is the question. That is resistance area till this volume profile uh, point of control. I can take one more entry, which is giving me 1 is to 37 ratio, 1 is to 37 ratio, and again it is started reversing after this point, which is a huge, I can say, which is a huge, I can say. I will measure also this thing with the, I will just measure this range, how much it is reversed back. If you see, it is 13, 1370 pips have been moved up, and this here there is a resistance area, and it is acting as a defender, and it is going down. So this is the again one more entry I can say. It is reached up to here, and it is having a 1 is to 5 ratio, which is 1 is to 5 ratio. If you want to be more conservative, you can have up to here only, which is giving almost 1, which is giving approximately 1.3, 1.38, 1.38 risk reward ratio. So if you want to be learn more and then use my strategies, please subscribe my channel. I will post entries like this in the future also. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.